Exercise Daily magazine. Since the emergence of EMS technology, a lot of people have been looking for electronic muscle stimulators. For that reason, Exercise Daily has brought this comprehensive guide. Muscle discomfort may be quite inconvenient, especially if it stops you from participating in physical activities. Inevitable pain is experienced by anybody who works in physically demanding conditions. Moreover, an athlete who practices most of the time or has had an injury. However, owing to technological advancements, we now have access to gadgets that may be used for pain treatment. So, let's get started. Number 5. Amslan Nova Tesla EMS Culpt Body Slimming Machine. Weight Lose Fat Reduction Focused Electro-Magnetic. Beautiful muscle build. How EMSlim NEO works. EMSlim NEO is based on an applicator simultaneously emitting synchronized RF and HIEMT plus energies. The radio frequency heating prepares muscles for exposure to stress, similar to what a warm-up activity does before any workout. In less than 4 minutes, fat cells are permanently damaged and slowly removed from the body. Clinical studies show on average a 30% reduction in fat. Simultaneously, Hiemt plus energy contracts the muscles, resulting in an increase in the number and growth of muscle fibers and cells. Clinical studies show on average a 25% growth in muscle. What does EMSlim NEO do? Reduce fat by 30%, increase muscle by 25%. Improve muscle separation by 19% up to 35 BMI. Additionally, the radio frequency tightens the skin. If you only want to gain muscle without losing fat, the EMSlim NEO can be programmed to do just that. Because the EMSlim NEO technology is more advanced, it will help you achieve better results than the EMSlim. Whether you want to lose weight, gain muscle or both, the EMSlim NEO will help you achieve your body sculpting goals. The next is Number 4. 2022 New Weight Loss RF Equipment Body Sculpting Machine, Fat Removal Cellulite Reduction, EMS HiEnd EMSlim Machine for Home. HFEM Beauty Muscle Instrument uses non-invasive HFEM technology to release high-frequency magnetic vibration energy through 2 large treatment handles to penetrate the muscles to a depth of 8 centimeters, and induce continuous expansion and contraction of muscles to achieve high-frequency extreme training, to deepen the growth of myofibrils, and produce new collagen chains and muscle fibers, thereby training and increasing muscle density and volume. The 100% limit muscle contraction of HFEM technology can trigger a lot of biolysis. Fatty acids are broken down from triglyceric acid and accumulated in large amounts in fat cells. The fatty acid concentration is too high, which will cause fat cells to apoptosis and be excreted from the body by normal metabolism within a few weeks. Therefore, HFEM Beauty Muscle Instrument can strengthen and increase muscles while achieving the effect of reducing fat. The next is Number 3. Microneedle RF with Ice Hammer Skin Tightening. Anti-wrinkle anti-acne scars stretch marks removal. Fractional RF Beauty Machine. The gold radio frequency microcrystal is the ingenious combination of microcrystal and radio frequency. The tool-word of gold originates from the microcrystalline gold coating, and the coating is also golden yellow. At the time of treatment, the doctor, according to the crystal position on problems in treatment, adjusts the depth of penetration and microcrystalline radio frequency energy. Then in the electronic control system, at the same time, dozens of insulating ceramics penetrate the skin quickly, from the microcrystal tip radio frequency energy, then quickly exit, so the cycle until the treatment is finished. Finally, apply cosmetic ingredients. Action mechanism. 1. Microcrystal mechanical stimulation, coupled with the biological effects of radio frequency and thermal stimulation, together to stimulate the skin's self-repair system, to promote metabolism, improve microcirculation, the initiation of collagen and other new and rearrangement. 2. Microcrystalline penetration, open the skin quickly absorption channel, easy to cosmetic ingredients into the skin. 3. The radio frequency energy emitted by the microcrystal tip can selectively destroy the hair follicles, sebaceous glands and sweat glands, inhibit inflammatory reaction and activate the anti-inflammatory and repair system. The next is Number 2. 2022 Factory Price EMSlim Body Shaping Abs Training Fitness Sliming Machine. Tesla Sculpt Hiemt Slim Beauty EMS Muscle Stimulator. Hiemt device designed for aesthetic purpose, having 4 applicators with higher intensity. It's cutting-edge technology in non-invasive body contouring, as it not only burns fat, but also builds muscle. Additionally, the treatment requires no anesthesia, incisions, or discomfort. In fact, patients are able to sit back and relax, while the device performs the equivalent of more than 20,000 painless crunches or squats. Advantages: compared to 700W of the machine in market, the power of this device is 2300W. The full energy of ordinary machines is only equivalent to the intensity of our third level. There are 10 levels of energy to be adjusted, 7 kinds of frequency waveforms, 5 body parts can be operated. The lowest frequency is 4.46 Tesla, and the highest is 13.46 Tesla. Muscle gain is synchronized with fat burning, and the safety factor is high. Using it for 30 minutes equals to the effect of 5 hours exercise. The technology is continuously improved in the long randamp winking and laughing period, and the instrument performance is stable with few after sales. All kinds of certificates are complete, and the safety is guaranteed. The next is Number 1. Hiemt EMSlim Electromagnetic 7 to 13 Tesla Sculpting Butt Lift Machine EMS plus EMT Muscle Stimulator. Body Shaping Massage Equipment. Features of this product: newest design HiEmt Body Slimming High-Intensity Pulsed Electromagnetic Technology for body slimming, firming and fat burning. Professional device for beauty salons and physicians who want to offer their clients the most up-to-date and effective non-invasive body contouring treatments. EMSlim Body Slimming builds muscle and burns fat at the same time. Electromagnetic pulses induce supramaximal muscle contractions which force muscle tissue to adapt, leading to an increase in muscle growth while burning fat through lipolysis. Advantages: offer your clients the latest in cutting-edge body contouring treatment technology. Just turn on and let the system do the work for you. Simple and easy to use operation. 0 consumables. Non-invasive, no downtime, no side effects and pain-free, allowing treatments for stomach, buttocks, arms and thighs, so this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.